You gotta get up and move it, move it. You wanna lose weight? You wanna stay healthy? Gotta move it all day long. Turn the music on. Move it. Hear that music? Come on, get the beat.
Yummy, dude.
Okay, hello, hello. It's your girl, Hungry Mama Me. How are yous tonight? And Nino. And Honey. And who's this? M. Go ahead, you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Emily.
Everybody knows Emily by now. And tonight we are having pizza. Pizza, nothing fancy because I kept running after the baby, so you know, when I have the baby, it doesn't go so well. All right, this
Yummy? Your cheese is yummy? The pizza looks yummy.
hopefully it is. Usually it's pretty good. You don't want nothing, Joe? We have our sauce. Napkin.
Make your muscles. Make your muscles.
You got muscles? You got muscles? You do? Wow.
Are they big?
Yeah.
They're big. His muscles are big.
Can't really fit it in there, but you guys can kind of see what we're dealing with here.
How's your cheese? Don't put it all in your mouth.
I think
You
know,
You gotta chew it.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yeah.
Oh, you cut it? That's so cool.
I know.
Hey,
Oh,
yummy.
this is the easiest way to do pizza. Thanks to my girl Allison. Allison turned me on to that. I am. I'm not going to give you crust because I know you're not going to want crust.
Because you don't like it.
It's not an exactly round one, but that's okay because I didn't have time for all that.
It has character.
Yeah, I had to chase Nino, so we're all good. Emily just got home from work, so she wasn't here
Yeah. I work at Walgreens.
to help chase. Yeah, she worked at Walgreens today.
Nino
I know, Bubba, I'm getting to it.
What does he have?
Yeah.
Pretzels. Can I try one?
Yeah.
No, ask. Ask him, say please.
Please.
Can I try one? Can.
Yeah.
Say can.
He says, yeah.
I
I
try one.
try one.
Please.
Please.
Very nice. What'd he say?
Said no.
Oh, tell him you're kidding.
Thanks.
You're kidding.
Yummy.
Yeah.
He didn't try it yet. He said it's yummy.
We got some
Good, she likes everything.
Dunky Dunk here too. Some
Yummy.
sauce. And
Yummy. Yummy.
yeah,
Just got
boy.
so excited.
Yummy.
But yours is really hot, so I gotta cool it off.
Oh my.
So the last pizza that I made, if you guys remember, I told you, I took the dough and I broke it in half, and I made 2 pizza doughs out of it. This is the other one. This was in the freezer.
Is it good?
All you have to do is, pull it out, let it rise, get it to the shape you want it. But I only really had about 40 minutes to let it rise, and it's okay. It's still good. What?
Pizza, like put it more in the thing. No, like that. Yeah.
Oh.
Did you eat pizza yet, Nino?
No, I'm cooling his off.
Yeah.
Say Bubba. Say, come on. That's not hot right there.
Yummy.
Yummy.
What?
Yeah, I'm afraid it's still too hot for you like that.
Blow it off.
It is yummy.
Was it good?
Mm-hmm. Really good.
It's all
I
homemade.
haven't made homemade. I haven't had homemade pizza in
Blow it
a
off.
while.
The crust, everything is homemade.
Was it hot?
Yeah.
She's like, what do you think?
Heck.
I have
Did
to
you
cool it
taste
off,
it?
man. I didn't want to give you the
Your friend's
crust.
good?
No funny.
It was funny.
Junie's laughing at him and he's hollering. It wasn't funny.
What?
No funny.
It wasn't funny?
No, it just hurt.
Yeah.
Say you're rude.
You will. Fuck. That's funny.
No, that's bad.
That's a bad word. Don't say bad words.
Junie did it.
See what the kids teach you?
Junie did it?
Yeah.
Not nice.
Not nice.
Whoa, man.
This mukbang is getting... Say this mukbang is crazy.
Here.
Mukbang crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it for 18 and above, even though we got a baby in it. Crazy.
Mukbang crazy.
You know not to say bad words. What happened?
Junie did it.
Junie, it wasn't Junie's voice, it was your voice. I heard your voice.
That was the first thing he said when he said Junie did it.
Bubba, I heard your voice. What happened, man?
It's good.
Did he make you mad?
What would mommy say if she heard you say bad word?
Do that.
Don't do it.
She'd say don't do that?
No. Do
Mhm.
that.
Hot. Hot stuff. Spice. No, spice. Spice. I don't know why it is. That's why I'm not using it, because I don't
likes the
want.
marinara, so
Yeah.
he's just looking. You know.
Nice.
It's good? Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
Hungry. Say hungry mama me can cook.
Mmm.
Me. Me. Hug.
Thank you.
Hey, Junie.
Say goodnight.
Good night. Good night, sleepyhead.
You're sleepyhead.
He's so smart. He comes up with things that.
Good night, sleepyhead.
Mm-mm.
Good night, sleepyhead. That's funny.
I better cut you another piece.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm always hungry, Nino.
Are you?
And he's always feeding me.
You gotta feed people in your house, right?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta be hospital. You know what I mean.
Mmm. Say delicious. Delicious. Like this. Say
Delicious.
fantastic. Fantastic. He's diving in for more marinara.
He likes that stuff. He likes to dip.
Thank you.
Mhm. Bubby likes to dip. And yours, Bubby. What you doing? You're daydreaming. Go ahead. You like it, right?
Yummy.
It's yummy.
Come
That's yours too, but that one's hot.
Do that.
I put it here to cool off, my friend.
on.
Or it'll be hot. It'll be hot by the time you want to eat it, so I cooled it off. When you're done this, it'll be cooled off.
We took off.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? He's literally daydreaming about the pizza.
Nino.
Yeah, well, you know when the babies eat it, it's good.
Hey.
I'm afraid that's hot. Let's see. Yeah, this is yours. Oh, I'm trying.
Say please.
Please. Yummy. Yummy.
You're wearing it on your face.
My face?
Yeah, you're wearing it. You got sauce all over your face.
That's funny.
What color is your shirt?
Red.
Whoa, very good.
What color is my shirt?
What?
No. What color is Emily's
What color
shirt?
is this?
What?
What color?
I
You
You're
know.
playing around. What color is Junie?
red.
What color are these?
He called you red.
What color are these, Bubba? What color is my slippers?
Pink.
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
What color?
Black.
Now he's just messing with you.
Is Emily's shirt blue?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what color is this?
Blue.
Is that the same color as Emily's shirt?
Yeah.
You know better.
Mama.
He's pretty good.
What?
He's pretty good with his colors. He's learning. Learning to count, right? You learn. Uh-oh, you okay? All right, don't panic. All right. It's okay. All right. Take your time.
Breathe. Want some water?
Take your time.
You have.
Here, hey.
I did a Heimlich.
Is that hyper stuff?
No, it's just water.
Oh.
Good? No, it just has watermelon flavor in it.
And then the babies, when they're choking, you see they're choking and they know, they look at you for help.
He's like,
They're like, help, yeah.
oh, say, it's still good.
This.
Yeah, baby, please. Chew, chew, chew.
Hey. Love.
Got our Poland Spring.
Love.
Huh?
Love.
We're soft.
Love.
What do you say?
Yes.
Good man, they're so nice.
Very soft.
You want more of them?
Yeah.
If that's okay.
Huh?
Sure.
Yeah. Nino, what's this?
What, hon, hon?
Nino, what's that?
You want water?
Okay. Well, that cut wasn't so good, but sorry.
Yeah.
Here. Here, Bubba. No. No is no.
Hey.
Now you see when you have babies what happens.
Yeah.
Hmm? Good, man. Mm-hmm.
With babies, that happens at any time.
Because he gets excited, he eats too big pieces.
Yep.
Learn.
The whole trick, as a lot of you know who are mommies, don't panic.
I got when I was little, a lifesaver stuck in my throat, and it was funny because like that's why they have holes in them, so that even if they get stuck, you can still breathe. But I got it stuck like sideways in my throat like that.
Does you soap?
Did you have to go to the hospital or no?
No?
My brother like smacked the back of me really hard.
Mark, you hot?
Mm-hmm. So that it comes out, so you're not choking no more.
Hot?
I have my niece that was about
Yeah.
5 years old,
Yeah.
maybe 6. And she went to her freezer and got a big ice cube out. And she put it in her mouth. And she was sucking on it. And she got it stuck in between both of her teeth, wide open. And she was panicking. Her mouth was wide open like this, with the ice cube right in the middle of.
I used to.
How did we get what? That doesn't make sense.
I used
Yep,
to.
she had an ice cube. Like say, this is the ice cube. And she took the ice cube and she put it in between her teeth like this. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And it got stuck because she let it melt. And from melting where her teeth were, it got embedded here and here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I kind of get it now.
She couldn't get it out
Yeah.
because she couldn't open her mouth wide enough now for it to come out.
What?
Okay.
So she had to wait for it to melt a little bit for it to come out. And she was literally panicking. It's scary.
Yeah.
Nene gonna have more? You are? You want more, Em?
I ate like the whole thing.
It's here if you want more. It's not a problem. I got yours right here. You still hungry, Em?
Not right now.
Do you want another piece?
No.
No, really?
Okay.
Huh?
He wants it.
He wants
I got a
it.
piece for him here.
He's like,
I know. Here, Em. I
Thank
got
you.
a piece for him here.
do you want to share it, Mimi?
No, I'm good.
You have one.
I'm sure.
So hard.
Mimi makes the best food.
Whenever I go and get a pizza with the kids, I don't eat the pizza. I eat everybody's crust.
Really?
Yeah. Right?
No bite this.
Hmm?
No bite this.
You can't bite that?
No.
Yeah, the end. A little too crusty for him.
I'm the same way. But
Are you?
I like the crust now. When I was
go.
little, I didn't like it at all.
Yeah, most kids don't. There we go. You're taking big bites, please.
Did you say
Look at the bite. Huh?
Did you say brilliant?
No. He's been on the warpath since you left.
Nina.
Oh, son. Oh, no.
Jeez.
What lamp?
How do you fuck with it?
I got a, what are they called?
The salt.
You love
A
them.
salt lamp,
You love them. You love them.
the Himalaya.
Mm-hmm.
What? What do you want?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Is your ear hurting? Are you okay?
Emily tickled it.
Oh. Well, he didn't like that. No, he's getting away from you.
I didn't do it.
He didn't like that, boy.
I'm sorry.
What did you do? Tickle
I
him?
didn't even tickle. I stood all the way back here and I blew like
Oh, he didn't
real
like that.
gentle.
Oh, Jojo.
What?
Oh, Jojo.
Real gentle?
Real gentle, yeah.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Did you like that?
No.
Huh?
No.
No?
Yeah, probably did give him the chills.
Yeah. I seen him make faces and then go, are you okay?
Hungry.
Did you have lunch?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it was at a weird, like I ate at 2 and I had like the rest of my sub, but it was,
Yeah.
but I walk around all day long, so.
Yeah, it makes you hungry.
Yeah.
You going, bub? I want you to sit up here while you're eating. You can't. You see how you just choked? Now listen. You can't go running around with it. Come back.
He doesn't.
Yeah, he walked away.
Nene. What'd he do?
He's not. He's laughing at you because he's not listening.
Okay. All right. No. What I'll tell you is I have ice cream for tonight, and you're not going to get any if you don't come over here. If you want your snack tonight of ice cream, you better come over.
No!
Okay.
No ice cream.
No, I didn't.
Come on.
Junie gets ice cream.
Yeah.
Emily's going to have ice cream. Everybody's having ice cream, so if you want ice cream, you better come over.
What
Okay.
is this? What?
You know what it is, ma'am.
Pretending. He's an actor.
He is an actor.
What pizza?
Well, come over.
What's more?
Better pull it out of Emily's belly.
What?
You got enough pizza. He's got pizza there, doesn't he?
Yeah, but he said he wants more.
I'll make him something else if he's hungry.
Nino,
What?
come here. Why?
What?
You're coming over here anyway. What's up?
He beating you up?
Daddy.
I got you. No.
Don't do it again.
He gonna get you.
Yeah.
He's gonna bite your finger off. Let him try the pizza.
What?
I was gonna make him eat your pizza.
You trying to poke him in the eye? No. Oh, good boy. You just being a nice boy. Oh. You gonna pick his nose?
Like
no.
You never like that.
Beep beep.
No, to me, to Junie. No, do it to him. I can't wait till we watch that.
How many?
How many minutes?
Yeah, one.
Yeah. Did you put it on a timer?
Yeah, 20, almost 25 minutes. Should be getting ready to end. That's what Junie does while we eat. So
It's a bum.
he hangs out. All right, Emily, say goodbye.
See you later.
Joe, say bye.
Nino, you gotta
Come
say
on,
bye.
Nene.
Oh my god. He has a whole mouthful of pizza.
Nene, come over here right now. Do you got a mouthful of pizza? All right, guys, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget, in my description box is my Instagram, is my Twitter, and my P.O. box if you feel like dropping a line. We also have that little bell right there. Give it a little ring-a-ding-ding, and become one of our notification family members as the baby's licking the bowl. You never know what's happening here. Are you a doggy? Are you a doggy or a kitty cat? Aw, what a nice kitty. Meow. Meow. Can you say meow?
No.
Show them. Say meow.